Hey love, so first of all, weird, my hair is straight. I never do this, but I just toned my extensions and toned my hair. So because they were all mostly straight anyway, I just decided to straighten my weave, which feels weird. And my hair, girl, look how long this weave is. Look how long this weave is. Girl, she crazy long. But something fun, something different, why not? Anyway, now that we're done talking about my hair, we have a Shop Miss A haul. It's been a minute. If you guys don't know what Shop Miss A is, first of all, you're missing out. Girl, pause this video, go to the website now. Come back, because I got some cool stuff to show you, but go check it out. It's like an online dollar store, and the best thing about them is that they have makeup, they have lashes. Ugh, my lashes right now are actually the Jackie lashes, which are my absolute favorite lashes. So anyway, we have the new foundations in here, which I'm really excited to check out. Some other fun stuff. It's not the biggest haul in the world, but I mean, it's a decent sized package. So we are going to check this out. Again, it's like an online dollar store. They have accessories and other stuff as well, but I mostly will purchase the makeup and the lashes. The lashes are my #1 fave, but they came out with a new foundation, so I wanted to try that out among some other things. So I don't even remember what all is in here. I know there are a couple lashes. That's all I really remember. So let's pop this guy open and check it out. If you are new here, please subscribe. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more, but make sure to hit that notification bell because we are uploading on some Tuesdays and Thursdays as well. Always at 12 p.m. Pacific time though, so hit the bell. Okay? Okay, let's do this. Let's pop her open. Oh, this is cute. It's like cruelty-free makeup. Look at the kitten. So cute. By the way, my highlight I'm wearing too, Shop Miss A. Highlighter in Astro is like my #1 highlighter of life. If you're gonna try any of the makeup on Shop Miss A, I would definitely say go with the AOA brand. They have a lot of good products. Honestly, like I feel like most of my face on the daily is Revolution and Shop Miss A. No joke. My blush is a Lumi blush. I think it's the Lumi blush in Wine. No lie. Wow, they have this like packaged up. Let me in. That's what we're looking at. I'm excited because I don't remember what all I got. Apparently I decided to get one pair of Audrey's. I don't know why. These look a lot like the, what is it? Red Cherry number 43 lashes. I really like these ones. These are great for everyday wear. I will also wear their faux mink ones every day. So these ones are $1. And then these ones are $1.55 for the faux mink, which is crazy good. I mean, look, I'm sorry, but look at these lashes. I have worn this set probably 4 times, maybe 5 times. I wore these to Amanda's bachelorette party. Amanda's my best friend, if you guys don't know that. These lashes have seen something, and I even got glue on this little pokey part right here. This little, my most dramatic, but I still put them on. Keep it classy, right? I gotta keep the life in them, even though they're cheap. Like, I'm gonna wear them as many times as I can. Girls on a budget. I think they messed up. I didn't order Shelby, I ordered Jackie. Guys, they sent me Shelby instead of Jackie. It says on my order form Jackie, and I got 3 Shelbys. Shelby's cute. She's just not Jackie. Well, that's a bummer. That's the first time that's happened. This is what Shelby looks like. It's hard to see with the glare. Okay, there you go. So that's Shelby. I didn't know we were getting Shelby. We meant to get Jackie. I'll send them an email. So I had ordered three Jackies, 2 jeans, and 1 Tori. Those 3 are my favorite. Ooh, she looks extra fluffy today. Okay, so these are jean. I really, really love these 2. These are a little more dramatic than the ones I'm wearing. They're a little thicker. They're beautiful though. And then the last ones I got are Tori. These ones are kind of a little much because they're super thick on my hooded lids, but sometimes I want that look. So I got 1 more pair of her. I mean, I know it's not really that much money and the Shelby is really cute, but like I live for Jackie. That's like my #1 lash of life. They had some new tools. So I got one of their self-care tools. I think this is a scalp massager. I've always wondered about that because like my hair does not grow fast enough, clearly because I damage it a lot. Clearly, my hair is naturally dark brown, so I thought I would try this little scalp massager. Plus, who doesn't love to have their scalp massaged? So I thought for $1, I was like, give me that. $1. The other tool I got, I'm actually really, really excited about. You guys are gonna think that I'm weird, but this is a face massager. I suffer from TMJ. It comes and it goes, but it's pretty much consistently there depending on my anxiety levels. And honestly, I'm really excited to be using it because I just had a couple stressful weeks. I'll tell you guys about that soon. But I'm really excited to try this guy out because I will sit there and massage my face. The best part of being in aesthetic school was getting a facial and getting that face massage. If I could afford it, I would go get a facial weekly because I feel like it really just helps the muscles. I'll sit there and like rub my own face all the time. So I thought this would be fun to try. I'm not sure how comfortable, I guess they're kind of smushy. I'm not sure how comfortable it will be, but I thought I would give it a go. Oh, that feels good. Right on, oh, it fits your jaw. Oh, guys, I'm gonna take a nap now. Oh, it feels nice. Okay, I gotta stop because I'm gonna rub off all my makeup. You can see that I have makeup on this. I'm gonna use it on a dry skin or put on my skincare and then massage my skincare into my skin. I'm excited for her. Oh, that feels good. Like, I mean, it's not the same as someone actually massaging your face, but I'm excited. Oh, I got a new Wonder Blender. I live for this thing. I live for it. I use these every single day. I honestly go back to these. This guy's $1.55. All of their products are like between $1 and $2. I think the ones that are more expensive usually benefit charities. So this one, I think, is the Paw Paw charity. Yes. 55 cents of each one goes to the Paw Paw charity, which is the charity for animals, which, so of course, anytime I can buy anything from the Paw Paw charity, I'm down always. But I love this beauty sponge more than any other sponge. It's the softest one out of all the ones I've tried. Love her. Thing we have are their new foundations. I picked up 2 different shades because I was not sure. I feel like these days I used to just order the lightest shade of whatever and like pray and hope that it worked and was light enough. But I was a little worried because anytime I've done that recently, it's been too fair for me because so many brands, they're actually creating lighter shades. I honestly feel like both of these might work. Fair Ivory might be a little too dark, but I also self-tan now sometimes, so give it a go. I got Porcelain and Fair Ivory. Those 2 are the lightest shades. I think Porcelain was the absolute lightest. It just says AOA Studio Buildable Satin Foundation. Oh, Buildable Satin Foundation. Okay. I'm excited. They do have a BB cream, which looks really pretty on the skin. It doesn't offer a ton of coverage, so I'm hoping this is going to offer more coverage than that. I do have a couple dollar makeup tutorials here on my channel. I can definitely do more for you. I think next week, because I usually film in my beauty room 1 time a week and then film other videos outside of my house because that's way more fun for me. And I feel like you guys are enjoying those videos a lot. So I think next week when I film makeup, I will test out this foundation. Well, maybe oh no, she is fair. Ooh, girl. I want to swatch them both for you. The packaging looks really nice. How much do you get? 0.64 ounces. This guy, I think, was $1.88, you guys. Porcelain and Light Ivory. Honestly, I feel like I'm going to be a mix of those 2. I'm not sure if I'm quite Light Ivory or not. I'm just going to mix them now on the back of my hand and see what that looks like. I feel like that's going to be a better, that's going to be a better match for me, I think. Still looking pretty fair, but your girl's fair. It looks really nice because I have all these little hairs on the back of my hand. That's what it looks like. I mean, look at that finish. For $1.88, I am excited to try that, you guys. Looks dewy. I would definitely say it's a satin finish. It's not overly dewy, but it's also not matte. I love a satin finish or like a soft matte finish. That has become my absolute favorite thing. I like to be able to have the soft matte. I don't like a matte, but a soft matte or a satin finish. And then to highlight to the moon. Oh, it's got a little bit of a scent, but it's actually... I really like the scent. So excited to try that. Is that everything? I thought I was done with my haul and I had this whole bag sitting here. Oh my goodness, what do we have? What do we have? I picked up a couple lipsticks. They had some new ones, so I thought I would check them out. These are 2 nudes. I know you're shocked. I live for a nude, especially this kind of nude. I got Shore. These, what are they even called? I don't know, but they're just like their new bullet lipsticks. Oh, she is cute. We like her. We like her. Sure. Ooh, that's cute. They don't smell like much. She just kind of smells like a lipstick, you know, that kind of generic vanilla-y lipstick scent, which if it's lip stuff, I want it to smell like cupcakes or smell like mint or nothing. Ooh, she looks cute too. So these look darker in the bullet form than they do when you swatch them. This next one is Bliss. See, I thought she was going to be so much darker than that, but she's more pink. Out of the 2, I think Shore is definitely more up my alley. This one's a little more pink. I like a little more peachy nude. If you guys want another Shop Massager deluxe tutorial, let a girl know. And then the last thing, I got one of their argan oil sponge soap. This is like, they made it to go with their Wonder Blender sponges. I got Rose, and I think the scents are all, they have like a couple basic ones, but then the scents are limited edition. You can see the soap in there. I always love solids. I really like the Beauty Blender one and the Revolution one. It smells really good. It does smell like rose. So I'm excited to try this little booger. That's a decent amount of soap. I feel like it's the same size as the Beauty Blender one. This one was $1. Oh, this is $1.55. Excuse me. I like that they're putting the price on the bottom now. That makes it way easier for me because some stuff is $1. Some stuff is $1.55. Some is $1.88. It just depends. I'm excited for that. Yeah, that's everything. This was a baby Shop Massager haul. But yeah, anyway, that's everything we picked up from Shop Massager. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know your favorite product from Shop Massager. If I had to pick, oh, Can I pick 3? Let's do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna tell you really quick my top 3 products from Shop Miss A. I don't have them on me right now. They're all upstairs, so I'm just gonna tell you because I get asked that a lot. Like if I'm gonna buy anything, what should I buy from Shop Miss A? Number 1, I wish I could show you. I can show you on my eyes. The Jackie lashes, the Faux Mink lashes and Jackie, number 1. The Lumi blush in Ravish is normally my every single day blush. I misplaced it, so I used Wine today. And then the Astro Powlighter. So good. Those 3, literally wear them like on the daily. Obsessed. I'm really excited for this. And I'm really excited to massage my face all night long, you guys. All right, so that is everything. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could. I forgot to mention, I do have a favorites of Shop Miss A on my channel. I'll try and link it down below, but I'm always excited because they're always coming out with new stuff and it's always so stinking affordable. And honestly, like they just like they blow me away. Like not only for the price, the products are so good. Like I would pay 20 bucks for the Ravish blush. I don't even want to know how much I'd pay for this highlighter because I'm seriously freaking obsessed with it. I'm obsessed. Look at that glow. Oh, she's so cute. They have all different shades too. Definitely check those out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. Make sure to hit that notification bell because we are uploading bonus videos every single week. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Hello. If you guys don't know what Shop Miss A haul is, it's like, what? Like smell like a baked good. Argan oil soap. Whoa.